Are you worried about protecting your hard-earned savings and property while still ensuring you can access crucial long-term care assistance? It is a common concern for many families facing the prospect of needing help with medical and personal care costs. When applying for Medicaid, which is a needs-based program, most of your assets are generally considered countable and are not protected. However, it is important to know that certain assets are specifically exempt and will not prevent you from qualifying for assistance. The exact rules can vary significantly by state, but there are federal guidelines that provide a framework. The core reason Medicaid has asset limits is because it is designed to assist individuals who demonstrate financial need for medical and long-term care services. To qualify, an applicant's countable assets must fall below a specific threshold, typically a few $1,000s for a single person. This system ensures that resources are directed to those who genuinely cannot afford their care. Non-exempt assets must usually be spent down on care costs or converted into exempt assets before eligibility is granted. This process is often referred to as the spend-down period. So how do you navigate this? First, understand what typically counts as an exempt asset. This often includes your primary residence up to a certain equity limit, household goods and personal effects, one vehicle, prepaid funeral and burial arrangements, and certain income streams. It is crucial to gather all your financial documents and make a detailed list of everything you own. Then, categorize each item as potentially exempt or non-exempt. If you have non-exempt assets that exceed the limit, you might explore strategies like purchasing exempt assets or setting up certain trusts, but these actions must be done carefully and with professional guidance to avoid penalties. One key insider detail to remember is the look-back period. Medicaid reviews financial transactions, usually over the past 60 months or 5 years, to ensure assets were not improperly transferred to qualify for benefits. Any transfers for less than fair market value during this time can result in a penalty period, delaying your eligibility. This is why proactive planning, well in advance of needing care, is so important. Also, for married couples, there are special spousal impoverishment protections designed to ensure the healthy spouse can maintain some assets and income. Understanding which assets are protected and which are not when applying for Medicaid allows you to plan more effectively and potentially preserve a significant portion of your estate. By identifying exempt assets and knowing the rules around spend-down and look-back periods, you can approach the Medicaid application process with confidence and ensure your family is prepared for future care needs.